Good morning, my dear students. In last class, we solved some questions of derivative of exponential function and derivative of logarithm functions, right? Yes or no? That means we solved question number example 29, right? Yes. Now, some more questions are there in exercise 5.4. We are going to solve those questions also. Before that one question I will explain here. See, suppose find the derivative of 2 power x. Suppose 2 power x derivative we have to find. That means 2 d by dx of 2 power x. How can you find the derivative of 2 power x here? So which form it is? A power x form or not? What is the formula of d by dx of a power x? A power x derivative. So it means a power x into log a or not? A power x derivative a power x into log a. Yes or no? So 2 power x. It is a power x form or not? A value here 2. So what is the derivative of this one? 2 power x into log 2. 2 power x into log 2. So like this manner we have to find it. So same like this, 10 power x means what will be? D by dx of 10 power x. So what is the derivative of 10 power x here? Same a power x form. A power x means 10 power x into log 10. 10 power x into log 10. Okay. So like this manner we have to find. Log 10 value 1. And 1 into 10 power x, 10 power x we get. Okay. Yes. Remember now I am going to solve exercise 5.4. In exercise 5.4, how many questions are given? 10 questions are given. So one by one we are going to solve this one. See, what is the question number 1? What is given here? Differentiate the following with respect to x. Differentiate the following with respect to x. So with respect to x we have to differentiate. That means we have to find the derivative of the given functions. Okay. Derivative of the given functions. So here first question. What is the first question is given here? E power x by sin x. E power x by sin x. So e power x by sin x. We have to find the derivative. So to find the derivative here, just only function is given. Generally function means what will take? Y or f of x. Here I am taking y. Okay. Solution. Let y is equal to e power x by sin x. It is the function. We have to find the derivative or differentiating with respect to x. To find the derivative, so first you should have to observe that in which form it is. In which form the function is given. Numerator is there, denominator is there. That means u by v form you will get or not. So just see, we will see this one. First write differentiate with respect to x. So what is that one? dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e power x by sin x. E power x by sin x. Just observe u by v. Derivative of u by v form or not? U by v. So what is the derivative of u by v? You know that one. What is that one? Since d by dx of u by v is equal to, what is the derivative? Denominator v square. So v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. It is the formula. Right? So apply now here. Denominator, what is the denominator? V square. V means here sin x. So sin x whole square. So here v into, that means sin x into d by dx of e power x. Okay. Minus u into, u means e power x into d by dx of sin x. Right? Now find the derivative. Then what is sin x whole square means the denominator what we can write here? Sin square x. Right? So here what it is? Sin x into derivative of e power x. I have given the formula. E power x derivative, e power x only. E power x minus e power x into derivative of sin x. Sin x derivative cos x. Sin x derivative cos x. Right? So it is a derivative. So here e power x is there, here also is there. So take it out common e power x. So e power x and take it common. What will left? Here sin x left minus here cos x left by sin square x. It is dy by dx. So the dy by dx of this given function e power x by sin x is e power x into sin x minus cos x by sin x. Clear? Now come to the next question. Second question. E power sin inverse x. E power sin inverse x. Here also solution. Let y equal to, by given function take as y is equal to e power sin inverse x. Okay, so differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Then what will be? dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e power sin inverse x. Just observe here which form it is. E power x form. X means sin inverse x. E power x. E power x derivative. What is the derivative of e power x? E power x only. Just to see. E power sin inverse x. Right? But it is e power x means it is not x. In the place of x, which term is there? Sin inverse x. So after finding e power x derivative, for x also we have to find the derivative or not. Suppose see here e power x derivative e power x and x derivative 1. Into 1 you will get. E power x into 1 means e power x only you will get. So there is no change at all. That is why I wrote e power x derivative as e power x only. But here in the place of x, what is there? Sin inverse x is there. So first what we have to do? We have to find the derivative of e power sin inverse x. So what is the e power sin inverse x derivative? That means it is e power x form. So e power x derivative e power x only. But in the place of x, what is there? Sin inverse x is there. Clear? Yes. E power sin inverse x. E power sin inverse x derivative e power sin inverse x into d by dx of x. X means here sin inverse x. Sin inverse x. Clear? So what is it? E power sin inverse x into derivative of sin inverse x. Sin inverse x derivative 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Sin inverse x we done derivative. For x also we have to do not. What is the derivative of x with respect to x? 1. Into 1 you will get here. Into 1 means the same value. So then finally what will be is dy by dx is equal to e power sin inverse x. E power sin inverse x by root over 1 minus x square. Understand? So like this manner we have to find these type of questions. Okay? So it is second question. So important questions. From this you will get two more questions. You will get two more questions. Remember. Okay? Yes. Come to the third question. Come to third question. What is the third question? Is given here e power x cube. Okay. Third question, e power x cube. Okay. So solution. Here also let y is equal to e power x cube. Okay. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay. So what is the difference with respect to x? Is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e power x cube. Right? So next what will be this? Which form it is? E power x form or not? E power x. X cube means here in the place of x, what is the x cube is there? Okay. E power x derivative. What is the e power x derivative? E power x only. But x means here x cube. Okay. E power x cube we done derivative. And next for x cube also we have to do the derivative. X cube into d by dx of x cube. So just to see e power x cube into derivative of x cube. Which form it is? X power n form. What is the derivative of x power n? N into x power n minus 1. So that means what it is? 3 into x square. So finally what it is? 3x square into e power x cube. dy by dx is equal to. Okay. Next question number 4. What is question number 4 is given here? Sin of tan inverse e power minus x. Sin of tan inverse e power minus x. Okay. So sin of tan inverse e power minus x. How many functions? It is one function. It is another function. It is one function. 3 functions are there. Okay. Just to see. Here also what I am taking? Let y is equal to sin of tan inverse e power minus x. Okay. So now differentiate with respect to x. differentiate with respect to x. That differentiate, then what will get here? dy by dx is equal to, what is that one? d by dx of sin of tan inverse of e power minus x. Clear? Just observe carefully. Sin, right? Sin x derivative, right? Sin, if this dot bracket value we have to take as this short bracket value. This short bracket value we have to take as x. Sin x. What is the derivative of sin x here? Yes. So sin x we have to find the derivative. Sin x derivative cos x. Cos x means tan inverse e power minus x. Okay? Sin x derivative cos x. So sin x we done derivative. For x also we have to do the derivative. X means here what is there? X means d by dx of tan inverse e power minus x. Now we have to find the derivative of this one. Just see, this one is fixed. Cos of tan inverse e power minus x into derivative of tan inverse, this bracket value we have to take as x. Tan inverse x. So derivative of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. So 1 by 1 plus x square. X means here e power minus x. X square means e power minus x whole square. Just see. Tan inverse x. It is x, right? It is minus, right? Remember. Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Right? Tan inverse x we done derivative. For x also we have to do that. X means here e power minus x. Into d by dx of e power minus x. Into d by dx of e power minus x. Just see. So this is what it will be. Cos of tan inverse of e power minus x by what it is? 1 plus e power minus x into 2, e power minus 2x into derivative of e power minus x, derivative of e power minus x, e power x form, e power x derivative, e power x form. So but e power minus x derivative, e power minus x into d by dx of e power x we done derivative. For x also we have to do the derivative not. For x derivative minus x. But here in the place of x, what is there? Minus x is there, minus x. So then what will be done? So e power minus x into cos of tan inverse e power minus x by 1 plus e power minus 2x. Okay, into derivative of minus x minus 1. Minus 1. So multiply here by minus 1. So then finally what is that here? dy by dx is equal to minus of e power minus x into cos of tan inverse minus x by 1 plus e power minus 2x. E power minus 2x. Understand? Like this one. That means for each and every function we have to find the derivative. For each and every function we have to find the derivative. So like this manner you have to solve these type of questions. Okay? Observe carefully. It is question number 5. Now question number 4. Next. Question number 5. What is question number 5 is given here? Log of cos e power x. Log of cos e power x. Question number 5. Log of cos e power x. Okay? Solution. Here also what will take? Let y is equal to log of cos e power x. Now here also differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Then what will be? dy by dx is equal to d by dx of, what is the function is given here? Log of cos of e power x. Right? Just observe here. Log of this total bracket value we have to treat as x. Log x. Derivative of log x. What is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. Just see. Log x. So 1 by x. X means here cos of e power x. Right? log x. Log x we find derivative. For x also we have done into d by dx of cos of e power x. Are you understanding or not? Listen carefully. Derivative of log of x. Log x. X means here cos of e power x. X means here cos of e power x. Cos e power x derivative. Log of cos e power x derivative. Log x. Log x derivative 1 by x. X means 0, right? So log x we done derivative. For x also we have to do the derivative not. But in the place of x, what is there? Cos of e power x into derivative of cos of e power x. Clear? Yes. Next, that is equal to 1 by cos e power x. Derivative of cos e power x. Just again see cos. This e power x we have to treat as x. Cos x. Practically we have to treat as x. Cos x. What is the derivative of cos x? Cos x derivative minus sin x. X means e power x. So cos x will be derivative. For x also we have to do the derivative not? Yes, into d by dx of e power x. Right? Just observe here minus sin e power x by cos e power x tan e power x. Okay? Yes. Next derivative of e power x, e power x. E power x we done derivative. For x also we have to do the derivative not. So what is the derivative of x? Derivative of x 1. Into 1 you have to write. So e power x into 1 minus tan into e power x minus tan e power x into e power x into 1 means the same value here. Okay. So here it is the dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to minus tan e power x into e power x. Understand? So like this manner you have to find this type of questions. It is question number 5. Now come to the question number 6. Next, question number 6. E power x plus e power x square plus e power x cube plus e power x power 4 plus e power x power 5 is given. E power x power 5 is given. Okay. E power x plus e power x square plus e power x cube plus e power x power 4 plus e power x power 5 is given. So the given function, what you take first? Let y is equal to e power x plus e power x square plus e power x cube plus e power x power 4 plus e power x power 5. No differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Then what will be? dy by dx is equal to dy by dx equal to what is it? d by dx of e power x plus e power x square plus e power x cube plus e power x power 4 plus e power x power 5. E power x square, x cube, x power 4, x power 5. Now do the derivative. Just to see. Derivative of e power x. To each and every function you have to do the derivative. E power x. E is e power x. E power x. E power x. E power x. But here in the place of x, x square is there. X cube is there. X power 4, x power 5 is there. Procedure is same. See. E power x derivative, e power x. And x derivative 1. Right? Yes. Plus e power x square derivative, e power x square. And next, to whom we have to find the derivative? D by dx of x square. Here actually no need to write like this. If you can able to do directly, you can do directly, no problem. Just say I will do here. See, e power x square derivative, e power x square, and x square derivative 2x. Understand? Next, plus e power x cube derivative, e power x cube, and x cube derivative 3x square. Why? Because x cube is x power n form. N into a power n minus 1. 3 minus 1 2. Right? Yes. Next. Plus e power x power 4. E power x power 4 derivative, e power x power 4, and x power 4 derivative 4x cube. Clear? Yes. Plus next e power x power 5. E power x power 5 derivative, e power x power 5, and x power 5 derivative, x power 5 derivative. 5 into x power 4. Okay, right? dy by dx, right? So dy by dx is equal to e power x plus 2x into e power x square plus 3x square into e power x cube plus 4x cube into e power x power 4 plus 5x power 4 into e power x power. This is about dy by dx. Okay, like this manner. This is question number 6. Now come to question number 7. Question number 7. What is question number 7 is given? Root over e root x. Root over e root x. Here x greater than 0. X value here positive. Greater than 0 means positive. So to find this one, what we have to do? Let y is equal to root over e power root x. Root over e power root x. So differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x. Just observe carefully which form it is. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of root e power root x. Root e power root x. Just form root x form. X means e power root x. Root x. What is the derivative of root x? D by dx of root x. 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of root x. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. So here also root x means e power root x. So derivative of root x. What is that one? 1 by 2 root x. X means e power root x. All instead of root x. Root x. It is x. So root x. Root is 1 by 2 root x. Right? Root x will done derivative into d by dx of 2 root x will done derivative. For x also we have to done. X means e power root x into derivative of e power root x. Into derivative of e power root x. Just to see. 1 by 2 root e power root x. Derivative of e power root x. E power root x means it is x here. It is x. E power x. E power x derivative e power x only. E power root x. E power root x derivative e power root x only into d by dx of into d e power root x will derivative. E power x will derivative. For x also we have to do that. X means here root x into d by dx of root x. Clear? So write e power root x by 2 into root over e power root x. Right? Into root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. So root x will be derivative. For x also we have to do the derivative. So what is the derivative of x here? 1. Derivative of x is 1. You can write it into 1. Okay? So finally what is e power root x by multiply 2 into 2 4. Root x into root over e power root x. E power root x by 2 into 2 4. 4 into root x into root e power root x. It is about dy by dx. Dy by dx. This question number 7. Okay. Now come to question number 8. Come to question number 8. What is the question number 8 here? Question number 8, log of log x. Log of log x. So take this one solution. Let y is equal to log of log x. Here also x greater than 0. X greater than 0. So not x greater than 0, x greater than 1. X value must be more than 1. Log 1 0 will be. Log 1 value is 0. That is why more than 1 only log value will be calculated. Okay. So log of log x. So just to see differentiate with respect to x, what will you do? What is that one? D by dx is equal to, just observe here, d by dx of log of log of log x. So log x, log x, right? So derivative of log x, derivative of log x, 1 by x per number. Just see. Log x, this bracket value we have to take as x. Log x derivative 1 by x. X means here log x, log of log x derivative 1 by x. X means here log x. And log x we done derivative for x also we have to do that into d by dx of log x, into d by dx of log x. Then what will be this? 1 by log x, derivative of log x, 1 by x, into log x we done derivative for x also we have to do that derivative of x with respect to x, 1. So then find what it is, 1 by x log x. What it is? dy by dx is equal to 1 by x log x. dy by dx is equal to 1 by x log x. Okay, this is question number 8. Next to question number 9. Come to question number 9. What is the question number 9 is given here? Cos x by log x. Here x is greater than 0. Okay, question number 9, what is given here? Cos x by log x. Okay, so now solution. So what will take here? Let y is equal to cos x by log x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Then what will get here? What will get? So dy by dx is equal to d by dx, that is derivative of cos x by log x. Derivative of cos x by log x. Which form it is? To find the derivative, we should have to observe that in which form it is. Which form it is? U by v form. So derivative of u by v. You know that one formula. What is formula? Denominator v square. V means here log x whole square. Next v into v means log x into d by dx of u. U means cos x, right? Minus u into u means cos x into d by dx of v. V means log x, right? Now simplify this one. What is denominator? Log x whole square. This is log x. Derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x into minus sin x minus cos x into derivative of log x. Log x derivative 1 by x. 1 by x. Okay. Now here take LCM x. Take LCM x. X will becomes here and it will becomes here also. What is that one? Take LCM x. Minus x into log x into sin x minus cos x. Whole by x you will get, na? Whole by x you will get, x also you will get here. X into log x whole square. It is dy by dx. dy by dx. Okay, it is question number 9. Now come to question number 10. Question number 10. What is the question number 10 is given here? Cos of log x plus e power x. Cos of log x plus e power x. Here also x is greater than 0. Why? Because x value must be positive. Okay, just see here log of cos x plus e power x. So solution, what will take here? Let y is equal to cos of log x plus e power x. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Then what will be? Y derivative dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cos of log x plus e power x. d by dx of cos of log x plus e power x. Clear? Yes. Now just see in which form it is. Cos x, cos x, cos x. this one we have to treat as the eigenvalue, we have to treat as x, cos x derivative, minus sin x. X means log x plus e power x. Okay, cos x we done derivative. For x also we have to do the derivative now. So what is that? D by dx of log x plus e power x. Log x plus e power x. So that is equal to minus sin of log x plus e power x into derivative of log x plus e power x. Log x both are formulas only. Log x derivative 1 by x plus e power x derivative e power x only. Right? Yes. So you can leave like this also. If you want to simplify, take x LCM. Take x LCM. Whole by x will get. This is going to this 1 plus x into e power x whole by x will get. Like this also you can write. So right here minus sin of log x plus e power x into by x. So what will be 1 plus x into e power x. Okay. So finally what will be whole by x you can write or else minus sin of log x plus e power x into 1 plus x into e power x. Okay, so it is about dy by dx. It is about derivative of the given function. Okay, so like this manner we have to solve the questions. It is about exercise 5.4. It is about exercise 5.4. Okay, so learn properly the derivatives, how to find. Okay, so that means I already explained to each and every function we have to find the derivative. Okay, so before giving that what is that notes, so you can solve yourself these are questions. Solve yourself, but however it may be, I have given that notes also tomorrow. Sorry, after completion of this class I will upload the notes also. Okay, so before that it is better to solve yourself. Okay, and first solve yourself and check is that answer is right or not. Okay.